video. Let's eat dinner, guys. I have a tinolang manok here. Tinolang manok, guys. Ang sarap. Higop sabaw. So yummy. Ayan. A little rice, guys. Put a little rice. Ayan. A little rice. And then my so yummy tinolang manok, guys. I really love it. My food for today, it's a tinolang manok. Ayan. So let's eat. So yummy. Let's eat, guys. A tinolang manok with vegetables. A malunggay. You know malunggay, guys? Here in Philippines, it's a malunggay. There is also guys, alugbate. You know alugbate? So yummy. Stop, you guys. That's it. The taste is so yummy. So yummy, guys. Hi. Higop sabaw. The vegetable, guys. I really love vegetable. So yummy. Tastes like me. So yummy. Sarap na guys. Sarap na ating tinolang manok. Ayan. Dahil naubusan kami ng gas, guys. Ayan, natuon sa rice cooker. Pero si Ningning naghihintay na ng kanyang food, guys. So yummy. Sarap na. Sarap ng malunggay. Gulay.